Homeowners who seek a premium garage door with a superior level of service have turned to Piedmont Garage Doors for more than 50 years. Piedmont Garage Doors carries only premium Amarr garage doors and top-of-the-line liftmaster garage door openers. We provide only the finest quality parts and a proven expertise in every phase of garage door selection, installation, maintenance, and service. Our maintenance and repair service extends to all garage door makes and models. Plainly speaking, no one does it better than we do. We use only our own installers who are licensed and insured to ensure that our supreme standards of quality are always met. We never use subcontractors, and we serve the residential, commercial, and industrial markets with the same skill and dependability that has made us a leader in our area. Piedmont Garage Doors is your retailer and service provider of choice in the Triad area. Come visit our spacious showroom today. Piedmont Garage Door Company, 336-464-7205.